Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the star pattern like this and the output will look like this. And you can get the code from my own developer website android80point.co.in, and let's see with practical example here. First of all, I have opened the Python script file and now declare a variable key and assign the value as 8. Now declare for loop for I in range. Provide the lower limit as a 0 and upper limit as a 5, which means this loop will be executed 5 times. Within this loop I am going to use the declare the another loop for G in range and assign the lower limit as a 0 and upper limit as a k, which means the upper limit depends on the value of k, and first time the value of k is 8. Now write here the print double and equals to double quote, which means this provide the this print statement provide the space depend on the upper limit and come outside of the outer loop, and now right here k equals to k minus 2, which means the value of k subtract from 2 and assign the again into the k variable. First time the value of k is 8, so 8 minus 2, 6 value assigned into the k variable. Now write here the for j in range and 0 lower limit and I plus 1 upper limit. Upper limit depend on the value of I, and now write here print and within double quote write star and little bit space comma and equals to double quote, which means this code print the star within the same line, and now come outside of the inner loop and write here the print. This statement change the line. Now I am going to explain from the starting. First of all, control assign the 8 value to the k variable. Control come here and assign the 0 value as a lower limit and the lower limit value assigned into the I variable. So the value of I is 0. Control come here and look here, the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 8. So this loop executed 8 times and provide the 8 space. So look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 space provide here. Now control come here and the value of k is 8, subtract 2 and assign the 6 value to the k variable. Now control come to this loop and assign the lower limit as a 0 and upper limit as a 1 plus 1 2. So this loop will 0 plus 1 1, which means this loop will be executed 1 times and print the star 1 time. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and change the line. So press enter, change the line, cursor come here. Now control come to the outer loop and the lower limit of outer loop incremented by 1. So 1 value assigned into the I variable. So in this time the value of I is 1. Now control come here and the value of k is 6. So this loop is executed 6 times and provide the 6 space. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now control come here and 6 minus 2, 4 value assigned into the k variable. Now the value of k is 4 and control come here and now the lower limit of this loop is 0 and the upper limit is 1 plus 1 2. So this loop will be executed 2 times and print the 2 time star here. Line change, the loop is terminated and control come here and change the line. Now cursor come to this point and control again come here and now the lower limit is incremented by 1. So in this time the lower limit is 2 assigned into the I variable. So the value of I is 2 and control come here and the value of k is 4. So this loop will be executed 4 times and provide the 4 space. So 1 2 3 4 space provide here Now control come here, and the value of k is 4 minus 2, which means 2 value assigned into the k variable. So the value of k is 2. Now control come here and assign the lower limit as a 0, and the upper limit of this loop is 2 plus 1 3. So this loop is executed 3 times and print the star as a 3 times. Now this loop is terminated. Control come and change the line here, and control again come to the outer loop and assign the increment the lower limit as a 1. After increment, the lower limit is 3 assigned into the I variable. Control come here, and now the value of k is 2, so this loop is executed 2 times and provide the space 2, and control come here, 2 minus 2, and 0 value assigned into the k variable. Now the control come here and 0 assign the lower limit, and the upper limit is now 3. So 3 plus 1 4, which means the upper limit is 4. So this loop is executed 4 times and print the star as a 4 times 1 2 3 and 4. Now control come to this statement and change the line. Now the value of lower limit is 4, and 4 value assigned into the I variable. Now control come here, and the value of this loop initializes a 0 lower limit, and the upper limit is 0. So this loop is terminated. Condition false. Now control come here, 0 minus 2 value doesn't matter, assign it to the k variable. Now control come here and look here, the 0 value assigned to the lower limit to this loop, and the upper limit is now 4 plus 1 5, which means it print the star 5 times here, and look here, 5 times printed star here. Loop is terminated. Control come here and change the line. Control come to outer loop, and now the outer loop is also terminated because the lower limit made to the upper limit as a 5. So condition become false, and now the output is look like this. Delete this and save and run it. Run module, and the output printed here. This is the output of my program. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.